Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an American Express Platinum cardholder, you know that one of the perks is the annual airline incidental credit, and we're diving into how to use it effectively in 2025. This credit can save you up to $200 a year on airline fees, but only if you use it right. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is this credit? The Amex Platinum card offers a $200 annual credit for incidental fees charged by a selected airline. That means things like baggage fees, seat upgrades, or even in-flight purchases, but it doesn't cover the cost of the ticket itself. For 2025, Amex has kept this benefit consistent, so it's a great way to offset travel costs. To get started, you need to enroll and select your airline. Log into your Amex account online or through the app, go to the benefits section, and choose your preferred airline. Do this before you make any purchases, it's that simple. Once selected, any eligible incidental fees you pay with your Amex Platinum card will be credited back to your account within a few billing cycles. Now, let's talk about what qualifies. Eligible expenses include checked baggage fees, change fees, pet fees, or even Wi-Fi on the plane, depending on the airline. For example, if you're flying Delta and you pay $50 for an extra bag, that amount could be reimbursed if Delta is your selected airline. Pro tip: double-check your airline's policy because not all fees are covered, and you can't use this for multiple airlines in the same year. One common mistake is forgetting to use your card for these purchases. Always pay with your Amex Platinum to ensure you get the credit. Also, the credit resets every year, so keep an eye on your statement to maximize it by December 31, 2025. In summary, using your Amex Platinum airline credit is a straightforward way to save money on travel. By enrolling early, tracking your expenses, and sticking to eligible fees, you'll be flying smarter in 2025. If you have any questions or your own tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.